Alright guys, I'm going to run through this homework assignments, the rotations, 2.4 rotations, and I'm going to do it systematically. So if we move 2 units to the right, if we take anything and we move it 2 units to the right, that means that our x value, we're going to add 2. So for our x value, that would be 4, 3, that would be negative 1, 2, that would be 8, negative 4, that would be negative 1, negative 4, that would be 2, 9, and that would be negative 5, 0. So we moved it 2 units to the right. Now we're going to take those same points, we're going to move it 4 units up. That means the y value, we're going to add 4 to. So that would be 2, 7. That would be negative 3, 6. That would be 6, 0. That would be negative 4, 0. That would be 0, 13. And negative 7, 4. Now if we move it 3 units to the left, that means that we're going to minus 3 from our x value. And 1 unit down means we're going to minus 1 from our y value. So if our x2 minus 3 is negative 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2. Negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. Negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. Negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. Negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. 0 minus 3 is negative 3. 9 minus 1 is 8. Negative 7 minus 3 is negative 10. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Our last one, 5 units to the right, that means with the x we're going to add 5. And 5 units up means we're going to add 5 to the y also. So 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. Negative 3 plus 5 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 6 plus 5 is 11. Negative 4 plus 5 is 1. Negative 4 plus 5 is 1. Negative 4 plus 5 is 1. 0 plus 5 is 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. Negative 7 plus 5 is negative 2. 0 plus 5 is 5. Alright, that does it for the first section. Let's go down to the bottom two. Alright, so we're going to start with reflection over the x or reflection over the y. Now remember, when you reflect over the x value stays the same. The x value is your first one. And then you take the opposite of the second. So if we're reflecting over the x, 2 would stay the same, we would take the opposite of the second. Negative 3 would stay the same, the opposite of the second number. 6 would stay the same, the opposite of negative 4 is 4. Negative 4 would stay the same, the opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. 0 stays the same, the opposite of 9 is negative 9. And x value of negative 7 stays the same. Take the opposite of 0. In this case, it's just 0. Now we're going to reflect over the y-axis. So if you take these points and you reflect them over the y-axis, the y is going to stay the same. You're going to take the opposite of the first one. So that would become negative 2, 3. That would become positive 3, 2. 6, negative 4 would become negative 6, 4. Negative 4, 4 would become 4, 4. 0, negative 9, you can't take the opposite of 0, so that's just going to be 0. And negative 7, 0 is going to be positive 7, 0. Alright, those were the reflections over the x and the y. So if we're going to do a 90-degree rotation, we're going to flip them and take the opposite of the second. So this would be 2, 3, flipped would be 3, 2, opposite of the second would be 3, negative 2. Flip them would become 2, negative 3, opposite of the second would be 2, positive 3. Flip them would be negative 4, 6, opposite of the second would be negative 4, negative 6. Flip them would be negative 4, opposite of the second would be negative 4, positive 4. Flip 0, 9, that would become 9, 0. Opposite of 0 is just 0. Negative 7, 0 would be 0, negative 7. Opposite of the second would be 0, 7. All right, 180-degree rotation. This one's probably the easiest. You just take the opposite of everything. So instead of 2, 3, it's negative 2, negative 3. Positive 3, negative 2. Negative 6, 4. 4, 4. 0, negative 9. 7, 0. 270, you're going to flip them and take the opposite of the first. So 2, 3 flipped would be 3, 2. Opposite of the first would give you negative 3, 2. Negative 3, 2 flipped is 2, negative 3. Opposite of the first would be negative 2, negative 3. 6, 4 flipped is negative 4, 6. Opposite of the first is positive 4, 6. Negative 4 flipped is negative 4, negative 4. Opposite of the first would be 4, negative 4. 0, 9 flipped is 9, 0. Opposite of the first would be negative 9, 0. And negative 7, 0 flipped would be 0, negative 7. Opposite of the first is still 0, negative 7. All right, guys, that does it for the homework.